Well, we got another package. All right, let's check it out. Well, good doggy. Welcome back to another unboxing or unenveloping video. Today we have something from Armalite. And yes, that company, Armalite. It has gone through various iterations, including being acquired by Strategic Armory Corps, which is the parent company which actually mailed this out. So let's go ahead and get you out of the way. Thank you. And I'm going to pull tab to open. Strategic Armory Corps, SAC. So we have 4 of these Carbine Bayonet adapter kits. So here we can see they inserted a label in there along with instructions. Looks like we can see one right here. Looks like it's actually within another package in there to keep the oil from soaking. So let's go ahead and open this one we got here. Alright, so we got the item thing. We can put that back. Here we got some instructions, technical notes, installation. Yeah, so it's a barrel sleeve kind of slip-on device. So here you can see another label in there. And let's go ahead and carefully put an opening on this. Yep. So wide on one end, narrow on the other. It would slip on and provide kind of a thicker sleeve portion so that your bayonet won't rattle around. And I believe this is for the 16-inch barrel, because normally the bayonet and bayonet lug system is for actually the shorter 14.5-inch barrel, I believe, the mil-spec one. But the civilian 16-inch minimum length one would require this to prevent bayonet rattle. So that's what these are for. 4 of these. Just happened to get a bunch of those because the price was right. Next up, we have 4 of these. You can see here. From Precision Reflex, 6.8 magazine, 10 round. So this is for 6.8 Remington SPC, the specialty round there. So that requires kind of slightly different dimensional profile as well as a follower. So here you can see here 6.8 on the follower, and a waffle pattern as well as 6.8 millimeter, and a Precision Reflex logo on there. And at the bottom, PRI mounts and Ohio address there. So we got 4 of those. Very nice. And let's see. I'm not sure they're all waffle pattern. Oh, wait. Yeah. This one definitely is. This one definitely is. I'm not sure about this one though. Looks like we actually got an oddball. I'm kind of curious about this one. Let's go ahead and open this one up. So we might have actually got a little bit of a oddball bonus here. Oh, it's ASC. Interesting. Okay. Last 2 items. One first. This is an Armalite patch with the lion logo on white background. And it does look like hook and latch. Nice color set there. And last but not least, we have the Armalite patch with the Pegasus glow-in-the-dark logos. Let's see how this goes here. Gonna turn off the light, so let's see, let's hit it with this for a few seconds. This is a UV light. Oh yeah, look at that. Pretty nice glow, huh? That is sharp. Alright, so that's the Armalite Pegasus glow-in-the-dark patch. I'm going to try to reach for the light without knocking things over. Okay, we are back. So, backtracking, Armalite Pegasus patch, glow-in-the-dark. Armalite lion patch on the white background. We also had 3, at least, waffle mags in 6.8 Remington SPC, as opposed to this one, which is an ASC non-marked caliber magazine. I do believe those are all 10 rounders because of the magazine stops inside for the follower. And we had started off with 4 of these M-15 Carbine Bayonet adapters. And again, that's what it looks like. So these all came from Armalite under the Strategic Armory Corps parent company, so SAC. This has been another unboxing or unenveloping, unbagging video. Feel free to check out other unboxing videos on the channel. We also do show and tell videos, as well as a selection of book review, media reviews. Feel free to check all those out. Feel free to like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. See you next time.